Hi friends, this is AmiVenki. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have created a makeup look for Durga Pooja. I hope you enjoy it. So let's go straight to our video. So first I'm going to prep my face with this moisturizer. This is a Himalaya Nourishing Moisturizing Lotion. You can pick any moisturizer, but just make sure that before doing any makeup you are moisturizing your skin well. So let's take a little bit of moisturizer. So I'm taking a little bit of moisturizer. You can see this is the amount of moisturizer that I have taken because I have tried to, my skin is not oily, not very oily, and at the same time it's not very dry. So I picked this moisturizer. This works well for me, and dab it all over your face. Well, moisturizer is the only product that you should massage into your facial skin. None of the other makeup products you should massage into your facial skin. All the other makeup products you should be gently dabbing and applying it on your skin, but when it comes to moisturizer you can very well massage it into your skin. After applying the moisturizer, I have just let my skin absorb the moisturizer for some 30 seconds. Now I'm going to use this aloe vera gel from Patanjali as a primer. Now if you use primer, the plus point is this, that you will get a flawless finish for your makeup, and whatever makeup you're doing, it's going to last longer. And at the same time, if you have any imperfections, you can very well mask that also. This is not a color corrector, this is just a primer, so you can use this to make your makeup last for long. So just like moisturizer, take a little bit of primer. This is actually aloe vera gel. I am using it to do the roll of primer, and dab a little bit of it, especially in those places where you have pores. Okay, in those places where you have pores, just dab it all over and let your skin absorb it. Again, allow some 30 seconds after you have applied the aloe vera gel. I am going to use Fair and Lovely BB cream. This is best suited for people with oily skin. People who have combination skin can also go for it, but if you have very dry skin, I would recommend you not to go for it. So this is the BB cream that I am going to use as foundation, and take a little bit of it. Take it, I'm taking a little bit liberal because I want I want to do a heavy makeup and I need a very heavy coverage, so I'm using this much of it. Apply it all over your face. You apply it all over your face. Don't forget to apply it on your eyelids, and also don't forget to apply it on your ear. Don't forget to apply it on your neck. Generally what happens is, when we are doing makeup, we are only concentrating on our face. We tend to forget our neck and ear and all the other areas. So you can see that creates some sense of imperfection. So apply this product all over your face and gently dab it so that you get an even kind of tone. So now let me finish applying this. This product takes some time to blend well. This is see, if you have very oily skin, it blends in well, but for people like me who have combination skin, it is taking a little bit longer to blend. So you can see that initially it might look a little bit cakey, but once the product has once the BB cream has blended well, then you will get a perfect look. So just make sure that you're dabbing and you're letting the BB cream evenly on your face. Okay. Now I'm going to set the BB cream using Lakme 9 to 5 Flawless Complexion Compact. I'm going to take a little bit of it, and I'm going to apply this powder all over my face. What I do is I take a little bit and I apply, and I see for myself if it is okay. If you are fine without using a compact, if you feel after applying the BB cream you are happy with the way in which your face looks, then you can totally skip this step. This is completely optional, but I always like a look where, you know, the makeup is well set. I don't like the dewy look, so that is the reason I go for this step. So you can apply any compact of your choice. I have taken Lakme 9 to 5 Flawless Matte Compact. Next I'm going to do eyeshadow on my eyes. For that I'm using Lakme 9 to 5 Eye Color Quartet. I'm using Desert Rose here. So I'm going to do the eyeshadow part first. So for that, first what I will do is, let me open this, and I will take the eyeshadow brush and I'm going to take this shade. This is the shade I'm going to take, and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. I'm going to take this shade and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. I'm going to do the same with both my eyes. I'm not done yet. So let me show you the shade once again. This is the shade that I'm taking and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids. This palette is called Desert Rose. So I'm going to apply it on the eyelids. I'm going to do the same on both my eyelids. Next I'm going to take the lightest shade. You can see the lightest shade. This lightest shade I'll be using at the inner corner of my eyes and the region which is just below my eyebrows. So I'm going to use it at the inner corner of my eyes, and you can see this area which is just below my eyebrows. Okay, these two are the places where I'm going to use the lightest color. Once again I'll show it on the other eye. I pick the lightest color of the eyeshadow. I pick the lightest color, I apply it towards the inner corner of my eyes. Towards the inner corner of my eyes, I apply this eyeshadow, and then I take again a little bit of it and I apply it just below my eyebrows. You can see that? Just below my eyebrows I apply it. And then what I do is I just let it blend in with the previously added eyeshadow. So here also I just let it blend well with the previously added eyeshadow. Now I'm going to do the Kajal, because right now I don't have the eyebrow pencil. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pick the same Kajal and I'm going to do the eyebrows as well. So I'm picking Lakme Eyeconic Kajal. So first I will use it on my waterline. And then I'll just do very gentle light strokes on my eyebrows to get that fuller look. So first let me take this, and now I am going to twist it, and now I'm going to do my Kajal. Always apply Kajal from the outer corner of the eyes to the inner corner of the eyes. The right method for applying Kajal is from outer corner of the eyes to the inner corner. Most of the times I also get it wrong, because you know, like, we are in a hurry, we just want to get the makeup done and we just want to run for the function, so we generally don't check, right? Because see, I want a very loud look. I am doing the Kajal say 2-3 times, then again I am applying Kajal on the other eye. I'm applying it all over. I want a very bold look, so I'm doing Kajal say 2 to 3 times. Okay, so now the Kajal is ready. Now next what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the same Kajal pencil and I am going to give very gentle feather light strokes on my eyebrows so that I get a fuller look on my eyebrows. See that? Very gentle, very gentle and very light strokes, like feather light strokes, that is. I don't want any heavy look on my eyebrows. I prefer when my eyebrows look very, you know, very normal. I don't like very loud eyebrows. So let me just complete the eyebrows. using Kajal as eyebrow pencil is not a great option, but I did it because like I did it as a savior. If you have an eyebrow pencil, always use an eyebrow pencil. In case you're using Kajal as an eyebrow pencil, make sure that you are just doing it like very gentle feather light strokes. Now I'm going to do the eyeliner. I'm using Impact Eyeliner, Lakme 9 to 5 Impact Eyeliner. This gives a very dark and very black kind of look. It gives a very black matte look. So I also want the same kind of look. This is a very good eyeliner for those people who like winged eyes, or you want to create cat eyes. For all of this, this is a very good option. So now I'm going to line my eyes. Okay, is the mirror blocking? Let me see. Now I think it's better. Gently apply it. Okay. Now because I'm creating a traditional look, I'm going to give a very long wing for my eyes. I'm going to give it towards the upward direction. So this is the kind of look that I'm going to create. Next, I'm going to apply mascara on my eyelashes. I'm using Lakme Absolute Flutter Secrets Dramatic Mascara. This creates a very dramatic look. So I'm going to take out the mascara. When you're applying mascara, make it a point that you're applying it from the bottom of your eyelashes towards the end of it. You're applying it all over. Earlier, you know, in my beginning days when I used to apply mascara, what would happen is I would apply it only towards the end of the eyelashes. So what happens is the end of the eyelash would look clumpier and the look would not be that, you know, the makeup look that we create will not have that much of a finishing. So always apply mascara from the bottom of the eyelashes towards the end of it. So this is how you should apply the mascara. You know, once you apply the mascara, you get that fuller look. You know, it is as if your eyes have just come alive. So I must say that it is Kajal and mascara that actually completes and complements the eye makeup look. So always apply from the bottom to the end. So here I am. Oh my god, look at my eyes. Okay, yeah, they look very dramatic. Yes, this is the look that I wanted to create, and it is looking very dramatic. So let me go on to the next step. The next step would be the lip makeup. So I'm going to start the lip makeup by outlining my lips. I am going to use Lakme Perfect Definition Lip Liner Pencil. If you're not using lip liner pencil for a long time, then what happens is they tend to be very dry. So what you can do is just take the lip liner pencil and just apply it on your hands for some 2-3 times. So once you just stroke it on your hands for 2-3 times, then it's ready to go. And now I'm going to draw the outline. So first what I'll do is I'll put the outline on the upper part of the lip, and then I'll go towards the lower part of the lip. The thing is, if you're not if you're not applying it on your hand and if you're directly applying it on your lips, what happens is, because you've not used this lip liner pencil for so long, this tends to be very sharp and very dry. So it might, it might cause harm for your lip, for the skin on the lips. So always give 2-3 strokes on your hands and then apply it on your lips. So now let me outline my lips with the lip liner. I've applied the lip liner. It might look very odd now, but after you have applied the lipstick, you can see that the look becomes complete. Now before applying the lipstick, I'm going to apply a little bit of lip balm. Again, I do not have a lip balm handy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use Vaseline jelly. Okay, so yes, we have to, we have to have saviors, because if you cannot find the right product, then you should have some alternative to save your skin. So I'm using Vaseline jelly here. I'm taking a little bit of Vaseline jelly and I'm going to apply it as a lip balm. Okay. So I'm done with applying the lip balm. Now I'm going to take the lipstick. The lipstick that I'm going to take here is, yeah, it is Ruby Velvet. It is Ruby Velvet, shade is Ruby Velvet, and it is a Lakme Absolute Argan Oil lip color. That is the color that I'm going to use. And if you're asking me the shade that I used for lip liner, let me check. It is Blackcurrant. It is Blackcurrant. The shade that I used is Blackcurrant. So now let me go to the lipstick. Just wait and watch. I'm going to apply this lipstick, and this is like the turning point. Now you can see how that you can see how that lip liner and that our lip liner and lip color has blended so well that that odd looking outline has completely vanished. It's always nice to apply lip liner so that your lipstick is not going to bleed, your lipstick is going to stay at one point. So try applying a lip liner pencil before applying the lipstick, so that you also get an idea, okay, this is the boundary, my lipstick should stay within this boundary. So here I'm not going to do any kind of contouring. I'm going to keep my makeup very flat looking makeup. I'm just going to apply a little bit of blush on my lips. I'm going to apply a little bit of blush on my cheeks. So I'm using Lakme Absolute Illuminating Shimmer Brick, and from that I'm taking this pink shade. Do you see this pink shade? The darkest pink shade which is available here. Yeah, I'm taking a little bit of, see, as less is this, you should always take the makeup products less. Don't take too much of makeup products, because if you take a little less, you can very well add to it. And then, okay, smile. Whenever you're applying blush, smile, and then you apply it towards the apple of your cheek in upward motion. Okay, so how do you take it? I'll show it once again. Just take a little bit of any blusher. You can pick any blusher of your choice. Just take a little bit, as little as possible, and then smile. Apply it on your cheeks, and then always apply it in the upward motion. Okay. So now it's time to apply the sindoor. I am using the sindoor from Eyetex. This is the sindoor that I am using. This is actually a Kumkum stick. You can find it in all local stores. So I have applied it. Now it's time to pick the bindi. Picking the bindi is quite tricky because I need to pick a bindi which goes well with my sari. So I'm done with the makeup part. Now I'll go do my hair. I'm thinking of putting a side bun, and I'm putting a garland, the jasmine also on top of it. And then I need to put on my accessories, then get ready in my sari. So let me do all of that in a jiffy and come back right here. Friends, thank you for watching. I hope you liked and found today's video helpful. So do give me your like, do mention your thoughts in the comment box. Do share this video with your friends and family who have the same kind of interest. Do subscribe to my channel. So until we meet next time, this is AmiVenki signing off. Ta-da!